In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Brevo account. Before we start, keep in mind that closing your account is a final action. Once it's done, you'll lose access to your campaigns, contacts, statistics, and any other data associated with your organization. So make sure you've exported anything important, like contact lists or reports, before following these steps. First, go ahead and log into your Brevo account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. There, you should see the name of your company or organization. This is actually a menu. Click on that name, and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account and organization. When the settings page opens, you'll automatically land on the General Settings section. This is where Brevo keeps many of the core options related to your account. On this page, scroll down slowly until you find a section labeled Close Your Account. This section can be easy to miss if you scroll too quickly, so take a moment to look carefully as you move down the page. Within that Close Your Account area, you'll see a button that says Definitively Close Your Account. This is the button that starts the permanent closure process. When you're sure you want to continue, click on that button. The page will reload, and instead of immediately closing your account, Brevo will first show you some important reminders. On this confirmation page, you'll see information explaining what happens when you close your account, such as losing access to your data and tools, and possibly any remaining credits or settings. Take a few moments to read through this carefully so you understand the impact of this action. If you're still certain about closing the account after reviewing everything, look for the question that says, "Are you sure you want to close your organization?" Under that question, you'll see options to confirm or cancel. To proceed with the closure, click on Yes. Once you do that, Brevo will process your request to permanently close the account. You should also receive a confirmation email letting you know that your account deletion has been completed or initiated. And that's it. You've now permanently closed your Brevo account.